What's good, YouTube? This is day 14 or something of trying to become a fucking YouTuber. That's what the subscriber count is looking like right now. 2030, whatever. Yeah, we got some pretty good views going on. 300k. Yeah. I quit my old channel. Wait, I can show you real quick. I quit my old channel with 24k subs. It was also monetized as well, but I quit it because it was like, I was like doing so shitty content. Like all the time switching up my content. I did like Brawl Stars content at the start. Then I switched over to Fortnite and then to Minecraft. And the channel was just all over the place and it was nowhere to be revived. I tried making quality content then, but it was like only getting like 100 views or something. That's why I quit that channel and I started a new channel, and which I just showed you is at 2k. So yeah, 19-year-old kid right here trying to make it on YouTube. And yeah, I'm trying to start a movement, you know. It was always my dream to become big on social media one day. One day I will make it. One day I will become famous on social media. I just know it. It was like always my childhood dream since growing up. And yeah, if you're watching this right now, you bro, if you feel the same, bro, welcome on this channel, bro. Welcome on this channel, bro. This shit is fucking hard, man, I'm not gonna lie. Making a consistent income on social media, it's easy, but it's also hard at the same time. It's hard to explain, you know. It's like takes so much effort, you have to be consistent. Don't do stupid mistakes. I've done so many stupid mistakes. I could have making like I made good as money from that channel I just told you with 24k subs, but I switched over my content. I fucked it all up. I made my fucking content shadow banned. So yeah, I hope you don't do the same mistakes as me. So yeah, if you want my personal help, I'm not like the expert in this or anything, no. I have 2k subs on my current channel, I have 24k. I have something that I can teach you. So if you're interested in my help, just click the first link in the bio. And yeah, keep grinding, brothers.